Jackson, wake up.
What do you want, Mr. the King? It's like 7 in the morning.
Well, that's 'cause today is your first day of school.
No, I don't want to go to school. I want to stay home and play Fortnite all day.
Well, too bad, so sad. You're going to school whether you like it or not, 'cause attending school is a law. Also, if you misbehave at school today, you're grounded. Understand?
Alright, fine.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, get your bumper out of bed and come downstairs and eat breakfast.
Oh, jeez.